Well, hello there, random person or random pal. Thanks for tuning in to the newest YouTube video featuring me, SB Mitch, the overrated old idiot of sneaker YouTube, because sneaker YouTube is not flooded with idiots already, and I am their king. Just kidding, I don't have kingship over everybody. I don't think that's what it's called, kingship, unless there's a ship that a king owns. I'm sure that's something. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hope everyone's doing really well. Reminder, there is a giveaway going on. I will get to more details about that towards the end of the video after the breakdown. But today, for your viewing and listening pleasure, I don't know what the word pleasure means apparently, we have a Soul Supremacy beater box. Soul Supremacy is a shop in the Bay Area of California that does these beater boxes. They have a whole bunch of other things too, but they have this beater box program. It's a monthly fee that gives you access to these beater boxes, which release every Sunday at 9:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For the time being, they do not have any open memberships, but if you are smart and you know how to use Twitter, follow them on Twitter at Soul Supremacy and turn on post notifications. Who is Post Malone's brother? No, he's not. I don't know who Post Malone is either. But that's the easiest way to find out. These boxes are awesome. They come with like 6 to 10 pairs of shoes in various sizes and conditions, and they price the boxes. It's a mash of all the value of the shoes into one, so it's all under market, so you can make some money from these. I usually make, you know, between like 110% to 140% depending on the box. If you know what you're doing, you can make some money off these. But this box in particular cost $725 plus $40 shipping for a grand total of $765 US dollars. So let's pop this thing open and see what's inside. Just making sure we're in focus, folks. So these boxes, I don't open them ahead of time. I know a lot of people like to. There's nothing wrong with that. I just like to open them live on camera to see what's inside. So there's no loose shoes, so that's good. There's a couple small boxes in here, so we're gonna get those out of the way. So first off, we have a size 4 youth. This is a Jordan 13 Retro. This is a pair of little tiny baby breads. These are worn like maybe once or twice. This came out last year, I think. Yeah, this is last year's pair. These look like they've been worn once or twice. So again, size 4 youth, Jordan 13 breads. 4 youth is a really good size to put on eBay. I will say that. Kids shoes sell faster on eBay, which there's no way around it. I mean, you can put them on GOAT. They might sell. I highly doubt it though, but yeah, eBay is usually the way to go for kids shoes. So there's another one. This is a 3.5 youth, an Air Jordan 12. Ooh, these are the wool 12s. These are actually really nice. Look to have been worn once or twice too, but yeah, this is a slick pair for your little fella or little gal. These are in really good shape too. Size 3.5 youth, wool 12s. Box is a little bit beat up, but if you guys are interested in any of these shoes, go down below into my contact info and you can get a hold of me and say, hey, I want to buy these, and then we'll figure something out. So up next is an ASICS box. It's a size 10 LYTE 3. Ooh, I don't know what these are called, but these are pretty slick. Probably some like salmon or tan colorway. These are dead stock too, so that's pretty good. ASICS have a really kind of niche-y following. I really like the LYTE 3. This is a really nice pair. Really, really good colorway for summer. So size 10, LYTE 3. Don't know the exact name of them, but dead stock pair too. Cool. Here's another pair of Jordans. This is a size 10 pair of Air Jordan Future throw-in pair. This is the like core black or whatever you want to call Futures. I'm not going to get much money for these. A little bit worn on the bottom. Jumpman's fully intact in there, so these will probably go for a very little amount of money, which is fine, you know. I don't know, I'm not going to spend too much time on them. Clearly just a throw-in pair. So size 10 Air Jordan Future. Woo! Alright, cool. So this is a Jordan 5 or 6? This is a 6. Size 9. This is the infrared 6s. A little bit worn on the bottom. Uppers are really nice though. Classic colorway. A lot of people love the 6. It is almost June, starting tomorrow, so wear your 6s in the 6 month. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with these, just some dirty bottoms, and the structure on these is really nice still too. Comes with the lace locks. Jordan, the Jumpman is kind of still in there, not really though. Say these are a solid 8 out of 10. Don't really need much cleaning or anything. I'm still gonna clean them. Jordan 6, size 9, infrared 23. Really nice pair. That's a good pair to get. After that, looks like another 6, bigger size though. Yep, it's another infrared 6. This is size 12. This is also worn, but very, very lightly worn. This comes with lace locks and little inserts in here. Same condition about, just worn on the bottoms. Need to be cleaned up, but structurally, a little bit of little scufferoonie going on there, but that's what happens when you wear your shoes. So size 12, Jordan infrared 23s. We got two more in here, and they're both Adidas. This is a size 12 Ultra Boost Parlay. These are the Ultra Boost 4.0s. I want to say these are, yeah, okay, they're not dead stock. All I got to do is look at the bottom. Really clean colorway, pretty decent size, size 12. Good for summer. These don't really need to be cleaned that much, but I don't wear Boost myself. I've heard it's the most comfortable material. I will say, these little ankle things here, that's really cool. I've never seen that before. That's a cool little detail. Usually it's just that plastic like cup thing that's going on here, but size 12, Ultra Boost Parlay. Don't know the value on these because I don't really know much about Boost. And then one more pair after that from our friends at Adidas, from Mr. Kanye West. So these are the chocolate 750s. A little bit worn on the bottom. Checking the zippers. All right, good. So there is no inserts and there's no dust bag in here, but this is a bigger size. 750 is still draw. I mean, I don't know about this particular colorway. These are probably a solid 7 out of 10 condition. Yeah, they just need to be cleaned up a little bit. The uppers are in really good shape. Not much like rubbing or discoloration or anything. So there you go. Size 12, 750s. Chocolat. All right, cool. So that is the box. Again, this was a $725 Soul Supremacy beater box. I thought it was okay. Let's go through it and give it a real grade, not a real grade, in the SP Mitch report card. Fantastic. So we're gonna give this box a grade based on 3 categories, and they are as follows. Category 1, condition. Category 2, sizes. And category 3, hype/value. Because a shoe with hype has value, and a shoe without hype has no value. So let's do condition first. So we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 shoes in this box. Only one of them is dead stock. There's a couple in here that are probably worn once or twice. I would say the most worn pair is those Parlay Ultra Boosts, and they're still in really great shape. So given the fact that there's only one dead stock shoe in this entire box, I say condition C, sizes. Let's go through sizes. So we have 4 youth, 3.5 youth, 10, 10, 9, 12, 12, and another 12. Sizes aren't too bad. I'd really like to have more 8 to 9.5 sizes for this to be a really, really easily flippable box. It's a little bit too early in the year to sell kids shoes better because school doesn't start for a while. But the other sizes aren't terrible, so as far as sizes go on this box, I'll give it about a C+. Hype/value. Kids' shoes don't have much value. Those Jordan Futures don't have hardly any value either. Infrared 6s, I mean, they're classics. A lot of people look for them, and the fact that I got 2 in pretty decent sizes is okay. But overall, this box doesn't really have much hype, therefore probably not much value. So I kind of got to give it about a C. So with the grade of C for condition, the grade of C+ for sizes, and the grade of C for hype/value, this $725 Soul Supremacy beater box gets a grade of C in the SP Mitch report card. So we gave this box a C, which is average, but it's gonna make me any money. Let's find out right now in the breakdown. There it is. I can't imagine this box is going to be too crazy. I could be wrong though. I also have to make sure that I price them correctly. Yeah, so you know, it's a box all right. Real quick, ransomnotesneakers.com or the shortened version, rnsmnote.com, restocks with a couple new things tomorrow at 6 o'clock p.m. That's kind of what I'm doing, is I'm going to be restocking on Fridays. Not every Friday, but we'll figure it out from here. There is also a sale going on right now until midnight tonight, so if there's anything on there you want to see in your collection, you better buy it tonight, because as of midnight tonight, those sale prices go away. Also, going on right now, it's time for you to win a Boxo Stuff. If you didn't catch it in the last haul series, a Boxo Stuff is just some things I put in a box and give to you for free. So all you gotta do is go down below into the video description, find the gleam.io link, and there are 2 ways for you to enter. The giveaway ends tomorrow, so that's basically all I got for you. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, interact. I love interacting with all of you. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's like I'm swimming in nothing. I don't even actually know how to swim. Fun fact about me, I don't know how to swim. 36 years old and I don't know how to swim. Pretty sad. But yeah, that's all I got for you. So more videos coming soon. Thank you so much for the support. Pals, Pal Patrol, you've done me well. So until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and remember, they are just shoes. If you're not having fun doing this shoe thing, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. Okay, see you later, bye.